Recently, I attended an event for those in government contracting. And at this event, people introduced themselves and talked about their experience with government contracts. And I kept hearing this theme of they no longer, due to this administration, things have changed. There was a lot of indoor words and language being used because people are scared. People are scared of being canceled. And I was like, that's really interesting because we're not experiencing that. And this is the one reason people don't win contracts, and the one reason the people at this event no longer have their contracts. You have to get to know your client. Doesn't matter if you want to do middleman, you want to win a contract, you won a contract. It does not matter. You have to be ready. You have to be ready. Ready isn't, I'll email them whenever, I'm just gonna send in my invoice. And you gotta be ready. You gotta be ready like we are going to the gym. The theme in that room was bewilderment. Like this is the finale of some TV show and you're like, they didn't get the rose. This is not that. This is business. So number one, you have to know your customers. Nothing should ever be a surprise. Now, maybe they're pregnant or they're getting married. Okay, but they should still tell you. It shouldn't be, oh yeah, Mary's on maternity leave. Maternity leave? When that happen? Okay, you don't know your client. You should have them in your cell phone. But what's intriguing is nobody's talked about the gentleman who scammed the American taxpayer for $500 million. Where was that conversation? I didn't hear that during this 3-day event. How USAID can't do 8-day set-asides anymore. Didn't hear anything about that. So the other reason you ain't winning contracts because you're busy blaming the wrong people. Has nothing to do with who's president or Elon Musk. Has to do with you. Take a mirror and say it has to do with me. Now you may say, well, but Kizzy, I know you talk about coaching and bid. I just want some free things. I don't have any money. Well, guess what? That stuff's getting shut down. And I warned you that when the Trump administration would come in, you had to be ready and you have to evolve. Do you have a DVD player in your car and you are under the age of 40? Probably not. Evolution. These centers, these different small business centers, women's centers are being shut down. If you want to learn from the person with the silver play button. Learn from the person who's had contracts consistently since 2008. Not from the people that haven't logged into Sam.Gov in a year, but will charge you $60K. I said what I said. The reason that you're not winning contracts, you're not in with the customers, not looking at yourself honestly, hoping that some other freebie place is going to come and save you. They're going to save you, but they're being shut down. Now what? You just going to give up? This isn't the right time. I was talking to somebody today. My goodness, she had a lot of excuses. Whew. I'm a good listener to an extent, but I ain't doing that again. And what's interesting is I never heard somebody say, oh my God, nobody's buying a Birkin bag. The Lamborghinis, we can't move them. Nobody's buying a Lambo. Meanwhile, everybody here in my neighborhood got a freaking tricked out G-Wagon. I didn't even know they did this. Why? Because we live in a world of abundance. If the belief is, well, then don't be in government contracting. This is not a game. To win government contracts is very simple. You get a cage code and you bid. Period. That's it. There's no reason you can't win a contract in the next week. You think I'm lying? I'm not. Next. Oh, I'm just going to get me a micro contract and get a credit card like you playing hide and go seek or Easter egg hunt. Right now, these micro purchases tend to be $10,000 or less. Simplified acquisition, $250 and less, right? What people tell you is oh yeah, go after these. They're really simple. You can get them. They tell you this because they don't have any and it sounds really good. Let me tell you the truth. How it really works is somebody says, I want to do work with you. Do you take credit cards? I want to do work with you. And by the way, if it's under $250,000, I don't have to go through all this red tape. How do I know this? Because I've had contracts since 2025 and beyond. Simplified acquisition is going to be $350. Micro, $15K. it's estimated by 27, simplified acquisition will be $2 million. So what that means is you have to understand dialing for dollars. You have to understand having a relationship so you don't end up like the people at the event. They're like, they lost his contract. It's all because of the president. Okay. It's easy to blame others when we don't want to blame ourselves. The takeaway from this is the reason many are not winning contracts is because they're refusing to do the things that they need to do to consistently win contracts. It's very simple. Your customers need to know, like, and trust you. You need to get in with your customers. You have to realize a lot of the free services are gone, or they're going to be gone, or it's going to be one person. If one person is working in a small business office for the Air Force, do you think they're going to be able to help you? Does that mean you can't win? No. I have a student right now in my Ultimate Edge coaching class. She just won. I swear we've had like 4 coaching sessions. I've had many people watch my videos and win. Get the book and win. winnerswaybook.com. winnerswaybook.com. I just want to share and encourage you, especially after being in a room around people who did $1 million plus, people there with security clearances, people there who had very successful commercial businesses looking to pivot in the government. And the things that I hear and say are preventable. It's about you laser focus on your customer. You don't have to be perfect, but you need them to get to know you. If anybody wants coaching, sign up at findcontractsfaster.com. There's a lot of concerns that the joint ventures have become dominant in the mentor protege program, especially in the newer and recent contract vehicles. So basically what it seems like, when people realize there's a loophole and then they get mad that there's a loophole and they want to fix a loophole, that's what it sounds like. Mentor protege means you have a company that wants to mentor you only so you can create joint ventures, which is it's like imagine you guys have a kid together. So it's a different business. You get a cage code, UEI, you go after contracts. But like a kid, genetics from both parents, as long as it's your child, And so you're this third entity and you can bid on contracts under that entity and use the past experience from both companies under this third company. With that said, they're really starting to look at that program because that's another reason people don't win. Oh, I need to just find me a mentor. I'm going to go to this mentor program. I went to this mentor program. A mentor only wants to mentor you if there's something that they can get from you. Nobody's like, oh, I just want to help out the business owners out there. I just want to mentor you. That's not how it works. That's some weird movie. They want to help their pocketbooks. Ain't nothing wrong with that. It's business. This is business. So with the big changes comes your responsibility. If you're willing to put in the work, you can win a contract. That's all it takes with anything. So what I want you all to know and to really lean into, change is happening. Why? So that they can easily give contracts, high value contracts to people they know, like, and trust. So now is the time to bid. What are you doing? If it's just sitting back and complaining and blaming everything on a president, then oof, you got bigger problems. If it's you're trying, you're learning, applying, adjusting, you're going to the events, then you're going to do more, you're going to do better. Express gratitude for being in the position of pouring into yourself and watching this to learn, apply, and adjust. And just know that this is a beautiful space for those that embrace it. If you put out there, then that's what you're going to get. And that's not something I can help you overcome like that. I'm speaking to the people who are like, oh, I can do it. I want to do something. There's always going to be lots of excuses. But the question is, are you fighting for your excuses, their excuses, or your goals? If you want to fight for excuses, this is not the channel for you at all. And thank you all for coming here from the community. Check out the free Facebook group, winnerswaybook.com, winnerswaybook.com. Bye. Everything is possible. See you soon. Everything is possible. Like, subscribe, hit that notification button.